Imagine hiring the perfect employee, one who works 24/7, never tires, never complains, and never makes mistakes from fatigue. This isn't science fiction. Thanks to AI, it's a reality for small business owners and freelancers today. Traditionally, scaling meant hiring more people, adding costs, and complexity. But a digital employee changes everything. An AI system doesn't need a desk or benefits. It just works, executing tasks around the clock, letting your business run while you sleep. This isn't about replacing people, but about freeing your time from repetitive tasks like answering emails or posting on social media. Offload the grind to AI, so you can focus on creativity, relationships, and strategy. Let's skip the hype and look at how you can start building your own AI workforce, saving money, making more, and reclaiming your time. This isn't the future, it's a strategy you can use right now. Let's break it down. There's a quiet revolution happening, not in tech giants' offices but in home offices everywhere. Scaling used to mean hiring, but costs add up fast, blocking many from growing. Now, for a fraction of the cost, AI tools can handle customer service, content creation, and more. A single person can now manage what once took a team, thanks to AI chatbots, content generators, and design tools. For creators, AI can brainstorm, script, edit, and design, freeing them to focus on what matters. This isn't just about saving money, it's about unlocking your potential and scaling your business from your laptop. The playing field is leveling, and anyone with initiative can build something big. Many use AI for small tasks, writing an email, generating an image, but the real power comes from building systems. Imagine automating your weekly newsletter. One AI curates articles, another writes summaries, a third drafts the intro, and it's all scheduled automatically. You review the final draft in minutes. This is a digital workforce. Break down a process, assign AI to each step, and connect them. Now your system runs in the background, flawlessly every week. It's not about using a tool, it's about designing a workflow that works for you. That's the leap from tool to true 24/7 digital employee. Let's see how to build it. Think of your AI employee in 3 layers: output, reliability, and adaptability. Output is basic. AI does a task, like writing a blog post or generating an image. Reliability means the AI performs consistently, triggered by systems, not manual prompts. For example, a spreadsheet entry triggers a blog post draft saved automatically. Adaptability is the next level. AI learns from feedback like analytics and improves its work. It can prioritize topics or adjust style based on what works best. Most stop at output, but real value comes from building for reliability and adaptability. A reliable AI is a true employee. An adaptable one is a superstar. Move beyond simple prompts. Create autonomous systems that deliver real business value. That's how you build a digital workforce. Let's look at real examples of AI as 24/7 employees. An AI content creator monitors news, drafts posts, scripts videos, and generates social media content, ready for your review. An AI administrative assistant manages your calendar, organizes your inbox, and schedules meetings automatically. AI customer support agents answer common questions instantly, freeing humans for complex issues. These aren't just tools, they're interconnected workflows running in the background. Each AI is a specialized employee, making your business more efficient and profitable. The owner focuses on growth while AI handles the rest. This is the practical reality of today's AI workforce. Let's talk numbers. The financial case for AI is clear. Hiring someone for content and social media might cost $1,600 to $4,000 a month. An AI system can do the same for about $70 a month, working 24/7, never sick, and at greater scale. For customer support, a human might cost $2,500 a month. An AI can handle 80% of inquiries for under $50. That's a 98% cost reduction. Humans can focus on high-value work, while AI handles the repetitive tasks. It's not a perfect replacement. AI lacks empathy and complex problem-solving. But for routine work, the math is undeniable. For the price of a few subscriptions, you can automate entire departments. This is how small teams compete with giants. It's smart business. The ROI of AI goes far beyond cost savings. You massively increase output. AI can handle thousands of tasks, letting you scale without extra hires. AI reduces errors, delivering consistent, reliable results every time. Your business runs 24/7, serving global customers and capturing more opportunities. This means more time for strategy, product development, or simply enjoying life. The money saved and extra revenue go straight to your bottom line. AI doesn't just make you efficient, it transforms your business potential and gives you more freedom. That's the true return. Building your first AI employee is easier than you think. Start with one repetitive task, like posting on social media or answering emails. Map out every step in the process. Assign an AI tool to each micro-task: news aggregator, language model, image generator, scheduler. Use an automation platform to connect them, so when a new article is found, it's summarized, imaged, and scheduled automatically. Test and refine your workflow. Adjust prompts and settings until it runs smoothly. You're training your AI employee to meet your standards. Start small, get it right, then automate the next workflow. Soon, you'll have a team of AI employees working for you around the clock. The blueprint map: assign, refine. So, if you had a 24/7 employee for just a few dollars a month, what would you have them build? The future of work is here, and it's working for you. Get started today. Check out our next video for details.